Hello everyone, I'm Robin with Robin's Wreathery and Robin's Personalized Gifts. Today I'm going to show you how I assemble one of my jumbo Valentine cards. We're going to have these in the shop, the kits all ready to go for you to fill it with your own goodies. Or if you don't want to fill it with your own goodies, we can do that for you. This one is for my grandson. Okay, it says to Alex, Happy Valentine's Day. And in here, I have my husband cut these out on our laser, which is awesome. I can't cut a straight line to save my life, and that machine can do it really well. So, you would start off with a piece of foam board. This is one that I got off Amazon already cut out. I don't like them. They're too thin, they're too shiny. It's really hard to get the sticker to stick. The foam boards from Dollar Tree work awesome. The only color I could get was black, but there's a paper film on top and that sticker just sticks right to it. Now I get my sticker paper from Amazon. It is the 8.5 by 14. So what you would do is you would take your foam board. This is one that's available for teachers. And you would start to peel it off here at the top. I might as well just go ahead and do it for you. If I can find the little end to get it started. But you peel it back. And sometimes it takes some maneuvering to get it to pull back. Okay, then I use my Cricut little squeegees, or you could use a credit card, whatever works for you. But you want to start it at the top, apply it to your foam board, and this is the most important part, getting it straight at the top. Now with this board it comes off really easy. When you use the foam core, it's not going to come off easy. So once it sticks, it sticks. So now it's just a matter of pulling it from the underside. I'm removing this part and I am squeegeeing it down as I go. Because I found with these shiny boards, it doesn't adhere really well, so you really have to take your squeegee and squeegee it in place. Now what I will do after I'm done this, it will be given to my husband and he will put it on the laser and make sure that it cuts it out for me. Now it will cut and round the corners, and then it will cut a hole in the middle to fit. Where did I put it? There we go. It will cut out a hole in the middle. Now I use these. These are these sandwich containers. I will have all the stuff listed in the description, but he will cut it out, and I'll show you how it looks when it's cut out. Okay, this is going to be for my grandson's first birthday party this weekend. So I will also put in there, and usually I use the bottom as my top, but I put double-sided stick tape on the corners, and I will have that in the listing too. I found a double-sided stick tape that just sticks great. Okay, so I will have that in each of the four corners. Then I will fill this and shut this. So let's go ahead and show you how I'm going to do this Valentine one. All right, so I already have the double-sided stick tape stuck there, but for this, I'm going to use a little of this paper and put it in the bottom just to make it look nice. Okay, I also have, that I got from Sam's Club, I have some Oreo cookies. I have, these are the Hostess Ding Dongs. They're in the shape of a heart. And then I have a Rice Krispie treat that's left over from Christmas, but it has red sprinkles on it, so it's working fine for this. So I'm going to put these in here. Then I went ahead and I got these little paddle ball games. I got these at Dollar Tree. I think there's, let's see, 6, 7, 8 of these in there. No, 10, excuse me. There's 10 in a pack for $1.25. They'll just undo it and then play with the ball that way. Okay, so that's going in there. I also got these at Dollar Tree. They're the little bubble containers. Now, I don't know how well this screws on top, so I actually had to wash this because it had bubbles all around it. So I found these little plastic bags, self-sealing bags that I had in the shop. They were for earrings. So I was going to put this in here, but since it leaked in the big bag, this is going out on the outside because I don't need this leaking on that sticker or leaking in the food. So we've got that. I also got a huge bag of red Tootsie Roll Pops on Amazon for $14, and that's a good deal on those. So that's going in there. What else did I have? Okay, because the top of this is actually the bottom, I found some stickers, and I'm just going to cover up the numbers on this by putting a sticker in there. Just a little something to decorate it up. All right, so that's pretty much all that's going in there. So see, that closes, and then to open it, it just goes like that. So that's in there. I also have a straw, a heart-shaped straw, and I got these from the Dollar Tree, and they were $1.25 for 6 of them. So, to decorate it up a little, I have some cellophane paper here. So, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this up, just so it looks festive. Then I'm going to attach that to that with one of my sticker. There are 2 kinds of sticker little adhesive things that I use. This is one, the Pro Dash. I use these when I'm doing my balloon bouquets. They work really good. So I'm just going to attach that to that. Then I'm going to take some curling ribbon and we're going to tie a bow. So this is going to sit on the outside since it's too big. I bought too much, but they're my grandkids, so I am allowed to spoil. Okay, so we're going to just tie that like that. Then we're going to curl the edges of this. And again, the cellophane is just to make it look real pretty. Now, this is kind of fat curling ribbon. So what I can do is I can just divide it like that. Just making sure you can see what I'm doing. I have one more pencil. There it is. Okay. Just curl that a little more. There we go. So I'm just splitting it and pulling down. Splitting it and pulling it down. So So I'm going to take another sticker dot and I'm going to attach it to the side of the container. You really need a good sticker dot to do that. And this is one of them. Okay. And then I have 2 pencils that I'm actually going to engrave his name on. So I'm going to use another piece of the cellophane. Actually, I have this one over here, and I can just use that to show you what it'll look like. But I'll seal it and put another piece of ribbon around and then put a dot on the side. And also, these are called money holders. And I got these on Amazon. Say I wanted to add something rolled up on the outside. It already comes with its own double-sided stick tape. But I could roll money up in this. I could put a chapstick in that. And I can put it anywhere on the card. So that's another thing you can decorate it with. So these will have his name on them. And I will just put them side by side there. And that's his Valentine's card. I will go ahead and do another video on the 1-year-olds because it's considered a woodlands theme. I actually have trail mix. I actually have a little s'mores kit I'm going to make, and we're going to add that all in here. Then I'm going to stick a balloon stick on the back, and there will be a bear balloon on the back. So these, instead of your favor treat bags, this is going to be a card. And all the little kids that are there at the party will get one. Please stay tuned for more videos. If you haven't hit the like or subscribe button, please do subscribe to all, so you'll be able to see new ideas I have coming up. And looking forward to adding a lot of videos this year in the new year. All right. Have a great day. Thank you.